comrades ane vision and a mission okubulala iCommunist Party engaphili kwi-province ngoba ne-province was disbanded ngokomlomo, but also i-structure sabo abasebesishilo basifaka ama-branches. Umhlangano kwakufanele kuhlale ukwazi ukuthi ku-addresswe wonke ama-branches ase-KZN awukwazanga ukuphumelela, kodwa ke savuka ekuseni sesizwa kuthiwa sine-pilk, naleyo pilk asiyazi because as branches and district akaze size sitshele ukuthi i-KZN was disbanded. Sakubona sesikubona kuma-social media ukuthi i-KZN is disbanded, and lokho kuyasilimaza ke because kuyinhlese yokubulala iCommunist Party esingakwazi ke ngoba thina into esiyaziyo in the party sazi ukuthi siya engage until size sivumelane, kodwa ke manje ama engagement in the party awasafunakali because sekufuneke ilokhu njani i-view yomuntu oyedwa kube yiyona ethatha i-decision ye-organization yonke. Lokhu sikubuka kuyinhleseke yokuthi kunama leaders e-Communist Party at the national level asetshenziswa ngonxiwa to enrich themselves in the expense of the South African Communist Party, because yonke lama element okubulala iCommunist Party ebonakala ukuthi yona eqinisa umbimbi. Therefore ukuze kufe umbimbi amadlela ndawonye ase South Africa funeka kubulala eqala iCommunist Party. Lokho ke siyakubona ukuthi really kuyiqiniso because awukwazi ukuthi uzoqeda the longest relationship yamadlela ndawonye uzowaqeda just because kune individual ene interest yayo to divide the Communist Party and also to divide this alliance. Thina ke mina as district treasurer of this South African Communist Party in Eric Stalin region, I can't allow whereby the Communist Party is being used for personal interest, because they want to use the Communist Party to enrich themselves in order for them to ukwazi ukuthi basize imndeni yabo at the expense of the party. Asinalo elinye ekhaya esithembele lona ideological and otherwise, because we are in the SACP, we are in the ANC, we are in COSATU, some of us, because ngabasebenzi, and le alliance ayakhwanga kumnandi. I-alliance yegazi le ngeke sivumeke ukuthi kube khona umuntu ozosibulalela iCommunist Party sisekhona. We are here to defend the Communist Party ngawo wonke amandla. We are here to defend the alliance because ngeke sivume ukuthi i-ANC ife iCommunist Party phila. Sazi iCommunist Party thina part and parcel wawo wonke ama political gatherings, ama alliance partners. Uma ngabe befuna ukwenza istokfela ngeke besenze sisekhona.